Okay, sixth graders, this is page 257. I'm going to consider this chapter 4 review part 3. And so we're just going to continue working on these. I want you to, as they say here, identify the independent and dependent variable in each one of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle all of those. The bottom of the page says find the pattern and then write a rule and an equation that represents the pattern, and then complete the table. So I want you to complete the table in these and probably give group points for the equation and the rule. So for each one of these you need to write the equation and the rule. And the same thing for this one here down at the bottom of the equation. And the rule. Okay? So 1 and 2. Do those. Turn the page. Page 258. So finish this table here, and then they're extending it and need to graph the points down below. So it says graph the ordered pairs on the coordinate plane. So you're going to graph, how many are there? Looks like there's 3 of them. So you're going to graph those, and then I want you to connect it. So graph the pairs and draw a line. Okay, so don't forget to do that. Graph the points and then draw a line connecting all the points. So this is number 1, and then A, and then B, and then C. It says write an equation that describes the relationship. Okay. Yeah, just come up with an equation. That's really what I'm looking for. So it's going to be in the form of y equals something. Okay? And then number 2 here, it says Alex is making puppets for a show. He bought all the string needed for $125. It costs $18 for the remaining materials to make each puppet. What is the total cost to make 50 puppets? So I'd like you to figure that one out. So that's it, and then we are done. Now, one of the things I'm going to give you guys today, and I'll have you work on it probably when you come back, because it's a split time today. You guys, what are you guys going to today? Farm and garden? Yeah. Farm and garden, and then break, and then you'll come back. I'm going to give you guys a practice test today for the chapter test, which you will have tomorrow. So this will be the chapter 4 test. So I'll give you a practice test today, and we will go over it. If not today, we'll go over it tomorrow morning, and then I'll give you the actual test. And the practice test will be very much like the real test that I'll give you. Okay? Which I've done before. So, all right. So I want you guys to work on this right now. Those 2 pages. I don't think it'll take you too terribly long. Quietly work with one another in your group, and or even outside your group if you want.